how to add the weather widget to the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. So first, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, touch and hold. Then we go down and tap on wallpaper and style. In here, tap on the left hand side panel. Then tap on the widget panel here. After that, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on weather. And here select a widget type. So we've got precipitation, moon phase, UV, AQI, current temperature, and weather, sunrise and sunset. So select a widget. I already added that one in, so I will select a different one. Say sunrise and sunset, and then tap on done to save the changes. And then tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Now press on the sub button and then go to your lock screen to view your weather widget. So here it shows sunrise at 6:55 a.m. and the current temperature is 8 degrees. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.